Hi, it's Wordy Wednesday, and today we're looking at the word responsible and 5 ways we can use it. We see this word a lot in business. Do you know all the different ways you can use it? Let's have a look. Firstly, we are responsible for something, to have control or authority of something, and taking the actions necessary to take care of it. Let's look at some examples. Harold is directly responsible for the marketing plan. The accounting department is responsible for managing the budget. Second, responsible to be controlled by something or someone. I am responsible to the CEO. He checks me and what I do. We are responsible to our clients. 3, hold someone or somebody responsible. My boss always holds me responsible for any problems that occur during the projects. 4, a responsible job or position. This job is very responsible. You have to make some very important decisions for the company. And last of all, number 5, a responsible person. Jane is a responsible employee. She always completes all of her work on time and always tries to help others. So that's it. Let's practice now. Tell me about yourself. What are your most important responsibilities at work? Would you like to have more responsibilities or less? Feel free to leave me an audio message or write to me. I'd love to hear from you.